Hello everyone and welcome back to Choo-Choo Charles. We are right back where we left off and we are going to check out this place because we might as well. I do not even remember how to play this game. Let's check our map real quick. So there's NPCs here. Hello. Hi. Can I close your door? Okay. Hello.
Look, kid, I know you're supposed to be some fancy-pants monster hunter, but you can't earn my respect without making yourself useful.
Okay, so what do you want me to do?
One of Warren's goons dumped a locked chest in the yard last night. After beating on it for a few hours, I didn't break anything but a sweat. I got some lock picks, but I don't know how to use them.
Okay.
Here, take them. If you can get that chest open, you'll earn my respect. I might just give you some scraps to help improve your train.
Okay. Sure. I'll do that. What else you got around here? Anything else? Alright, cool. Guessing I can't close your door now, but where's that chest at? Oh, there it is. This is a very interesting lockpick thing. Oh, it's a drawing of Charles, I guess. Maybe baby Charles, I don't know. Here you go.
Well, Fancy Fingers here got the chest unlocked.
Yes, I did.
That's an odd-looking piece of junk you found inside there. Bit of a letdown, to be frank. You earned my respect, so here's some scraps, like I promised.
Thank you. I really appreciate that. Can I do something real quick? Graphics. Oh, it's all the way up already. Makes sense. Alright, cool. Hopefully, Charles isn't around. Get back in ye olde train here. So let's check my map again. This is unmet required mission. Okay, and this is optional mission, weapon mission. Okay. So there's okay. So we're not going to do the weapon mission because I don't think we have any weapons, unless it means the train weapons. But like this goes off the track, so I doubt it does. So we're just going to do the required missions and optional missions. How many required missions are there? Let me look here. 2, 3, 4. So there's only 4 of them. Okay. So I'm guessing if I end up doing the required missions completely, it'll trigger like the end of the game. So I'll make sure not to do all of them too quick, because like I want to actually play the game. Do the actually, you know what? Let's stop here. We have some scrap. We got lots of scrap. Jeez. All right. Increase damage, armor, speed. We can do a little bit of both here. Speed and armor are most important, in my opinion. Yeah, we can't get the rest of it. So let's go this way. And there's a required mission NPC over here, which we'll just... who we'll just talk to right here. Hello.
The monster hunter has arrived, I see.
Yes, I have.
This is no ordinary hunt, mind you. We've already tried fighting Charles, but he retreats into the wilderness if he is sufficiently harmed. We believe there may be a way to get Charles to commit to a mortal battle, however. Dispersed around the island are 3 eggs, locked in the island's 3 primary mines.
Uh-huh.
Our theory is that putting these eggs in the temple at the center of the island will provoke Charles into a fight to the death.
Ah, I see.
Unfortunately, the mining company owner, Warren Charles III, has placed armed guards inside each mine to protect the eggs.
Ah, okay.
There's an egg in the mine just down the rail. Here's the key to the mine. I've marked the entrance on your map.
Okay. So... Oh, okay. Okay, so then what are these? So the temple is here, roughly. Or, like, right here. This looks more like a temple. Yeah, this is the temple. So, I'm guessing... Okay. Okay. So, we'll come down to this dock area. I mean, we'll go to the mine. We might as well. Actually, do you have anything in your house, miss? That you don't need, particularly? Or anything around here? I'm gonna have to make sure I look around places before I just leave them, because there's definitely good stuff here. Actually, the scrapyard's just right back here. It's probably a really bad idea to just leave my train like that. But, I mean, if there's scrap over here... Yeah, see, there's some stuff I missed over here. Anything I could do to improve my train, I want to do it. And if Charles shows up, then it's probably not a good idea to stay in one place for too long. There's literally train parts all over right here. Yeah, I don't know why I didn't search this place. Like, there's tons of stuff in here. The music's really creepy. I'm not happy about that, but this is a really well-made game. And I've been watching this for like a few months, just like to see how it's doing. Like, this is exciting to play, finally. Can I get inside here? Is there any scrap in here? I think I see something in there. Oh no, nothing in here? Okay, never mind then. Some scrap. So, okay, cool. Let's get back to our train. Which should be just over here. Hopefully Charles won't show up. Let's get back over here to our train and let's get going. First I want to upgrade it a little bit. There we go. And we'll head over to that mine. Important egg. Okay, let's check out this weapon NPC thing first. Because... Wait, what's that? That's a chest? What is that? I want to check this out real quick. Is this a crate? Leave no stone unturned. This is a really beautiful game, too. So I want to see what these weapon NPC things are about. Like, is it train weapon, or is it, like, gun that I need to have? So this person I'm supposed to talk to in here. Hello. Can can I help you?
I made a little flamethrower as an addition to my spider train home defense plan, but as you can see, that has slightly backfired.
Yes, I can see that. Jeez.
Nearly cooked myself alive in that shed as I was testing it. Shoot dang.
Why were you testing it inside the shed?
I would love to save the shed, though. If an flamethrower somehow still works after the fire dies down, well, you can take it. I'd assume you're the monster hunter that folks have been expecting, so a weapon like this could come in handy.
Yes, probably. So you tested a flamethrower inside a shed. And now I'm seeing that these weapon missions are nuts. So they give you weapons. I sure hope that wasn't your drinking water. It was, wasn't it? It's my bad, but you know, you did set your own thing on fire. Oh, shoot. Oh, okay.
Using the water tank to put out the fire. Pure genius. Woohoo!
It's common sense.
Here, take old bug spray. Cause of this chaos. I don't want to see it anywhere near here again. Shoot dang.
Okay. You got anything in here? Scrap? Ooh, paint. I can paint my train orange. At least I think that's what it does. So this is your cabin, sir? You live here alone? With a flamethrower? Inside the cabin? Or the shed I'm in? How about opening your door, sir? What do you have to hide? And so we're back from that quick cut. And we will head over to our train and see if we can get this flamethrower put on there. Because I like the idea of having a flamethrower on my train. So... that's pretty cool. That's nice. I like that. Okay, we're gonna keep that on there for now. So I guess you just... oh, so I can get like 4 different weapons, I'm guessing. Okay. So we have 10 scraps. Let's improve our speed. So, okay, so the weapon missions... okay. So we don't need to stop and wait on the weapon missions. We should actually do them as we come by them. But there's this South Mine spelunking thing. And I'm kind of concerned about it. But I don't know. I just tabbed out to the wrong thing. Amazing. So this is it. Guess we should check it out. Could be some good stuff in here. We haven't even seen Charles this entire episode. I shouldn't have said anything. I shouldn't have said anything. I should not have said anything. What do I do here? Go forward. Ah! Oh no. Oh no. Oh no!